Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to use the slow-mo feature on TikTok. Now let's get started. First we need to open TikTok. To begin we should start creating a video as you normally would do. You can record the video or just upload it from your gallery. When you finished we need to click on arrow, it means done. And then tap on Effects in the menu at the bottom. Here at the bottom we need to swipe at the right and select Time. Then we see three options, but we should tap on Slow-mo. You will see a red marker appear on your video timeline. Drag this to the part of your video where you would like to use slow motion effect. To start, tap the play button to preview your video with the effect. When you've done with the timing, tap Save in the top right corner. After that you can add filters and text as usual. And that's all. It was how to use slow-mo feature on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would love if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.